Part 3 of the N-400 application, that is accommodations for individuals with disabilities and or impairments. And okay, there's more information on this in other sections of the course, but if you are requesting an accommodation because you have a disability or an impairment, you should answer yes here, okay? And so if you answered yes, you need to select one of the following here. You're either, in essence, you're either deaf or you're hard of hearing, and so you're blind or have low vision, and C, you have any other type of disability, for example, wheelchair and things like that. Please note that the disabilities have to be qualified disabilities, and those are qualified under the what's called the Rehabilitation Act of 1973. You can read up more on that, and we'll put a link on it if this pertains to you. Okay, for the vast majority of people, this will not be the case. But so you're deaf or hard of hearing, blind, or there's any other kind of disability that you need help with. Okay, and that is part 3 of the N-400 application, where we will dive right into part 4, information about information to contact you.